Most people upload a document to an AI tool and ask for a summary. That is the smallest useful thing it can do. The better workflow turns one trusted document into a decision brief, a presentation outline, and a video plan without inventing facts along the way. I will show the order, the prompts, and the checks that keep the original source in control. Start with one source and one audience. Upload the document, name the audience, and define the decision or action the final material should support. Add a short source note, what this document is, when it was written, and what it does not cover. Do not mix 5 drafts into the first prompt. If the source is unclear, every later format will be unclear too. Next, ask the AI to inspect before it writes. Request an evidence table with the claim, supporting passage, page or section, confidence, and open question. Ask it to separate direct facts from interpretation and recommendations. This table is the control layer. When a sentence later sounds impressive, you can trace it back to the source, or remove it. Now create the brief. Give it a strict structure. The decision, 3 findings, the evidence behind each finding, risks, unknowns, and a recommended next step. Set a word limit. Ask for a not supported by the source section. That small section prevents a polished brief from hiding the gaps in the original document. Have a human approve this brief before turning it into public content. Use the approved brief as the only input for the presentation outline. One slide should make one point. Ask for a slide title, one proof element, one visual suggestion, and speaker notes for each slide. Keep citations in the notes or on the slide when the claim matters. Never ask the model to make it persuasive before you approve the facts. Persuasion applied too early creates confident filler. For the video, change the structure, not the evidence. Start with the problem the audience recognizes, reveal the most useful finding early, then show the proof and one practical action. Ask for a time-stamped outline, visual changes every 20 seconds, and a list of claims that need on-screen citations. The video should feel natural, but every important statement should still point back to the approved brief. Before publishing, run 3 passes. First, factual. Does every important claim match the source? Second, audience. Can someone understand the decision without reading the document? Third, format. Does the slide work on a screen, and does the video work without the slide? Fix the source or label the uncertainty. Do not hide it with more design. The real productivity gain is not asking AI to write 3 things. It is creating one approved evidence layer that feeds 3 different formats. Start with one document today. Extract the evidence table, approve the brief, then create the deck and video plan. Subscribe to Prompt Current for practical AI workflows that keep sources, judgment, and results connected.